Let's move our items with ease. No need to struggle, no need to tilt. Now a dolly that pushes as easily as if you were pushing a baby stroller. 4-wheel, collapsible for easy storage. This is Trolley Dolly. It's called the Rover. You're seeing there how easily this collapses. And normally, if I was transporting this big, heavy piece of this packet of paper, you know, I would have to wheel this backwards in order to try to move. Not anymore. Now I simply push, just like I would be pushing a baby stroller. And I move wherever I need to go and I transport my items. You get 4 wheels, no tilting or balancing required. A sale price of $54.98. This is V83101, and today you're saving $11. Diana Seastat was with us earlier for Guard Your ID, which we all in the studio, everyone's saying they're going to be ordering it at the end of the show because it's a great price, under $19. But also really helpful around the home, Diana, is to have a dolly where I don't have to tilt, I don't have to balance. I just press and I move around with ease.
Exactly. This is the newest innovation of a dolly from D-Best Products, and D-Best has been making nothing but carts since 1998, so for over 25 years. And notice that how easy this just spins on a dime as well. It has great maneuverability because you've got those swivel wheels on the front, you've got the big beefy wheels on the back. So, and the packages clear the wheels, so you can put something huge on here, as you see, like a big, huge box. So let me show you how nice this folds down as well. It's just 3 simple steps. I like to kind of just step on the front, lift up this part here.
Yep.
The back wheels fold in.
I see.
And the handle folds in half. So this is all you have to store. Maybe you're putting this in the back of your car. You could hang this in your garage so that you always have it at the ready. Things like bird food, the dog food, the big bags of things, the kitty litter, moving planters around your yard, the big things of water bottles, or even like those 5-gallon jugs of water.
Yes.
Things that are heavy like that, that we need to move from point A to point B. This is such a great innovation because, like you said, it's already tilted backwards. So you don't have to like play with the handle.
Right.
When you have a traditional dolly, think of it, it's just, you have the platform and you have 2 wheels.
Right.
And you put something heavy on there and you're kind of fighting with the weight of it. And that can hurt your back. It's a struggle. It can hurt your hands. You're like, oh, you're moving it, but maybe not so well. This has 4 wheels on the ground. It's already tilted. And so you can put something on it and walk away.
Right.
Just
that's a good point.
Self-balancing, turns on a dime. And now you can move things up to 110 pounds with this.
I was going to ask the weight capacity. That's great.
Yeah.
110 pounds is wonderful. Yep. I think it's so ingenious that there's this really great, these thick wheels on the back for nice sturdiness. Yeah. And then in the front, do you see how these are going to move 360 degrees? So any which way that I'm turning, those front wheels are just going to move wherever they need to. And it really does feel like I'm just pushing like a baby stroller to go along my way. It's wonderfully easy. And you can move those heavy packages. You can move the bird seed, the sporting equipment, whatever you need to. Boxes, of course, when you're moving. I just went through a big move, Diana. I could have used this for sure.
Oh, yeah. I mean, getting things from point A to point B, why struggle? Why pick up those big, heavy cases of water, the big thing of the bird seed, the kitty litter, all that stuff? Put it on your dolly and just push it like you're pushing a baby stroller. It's so easy. And the fact that it just folds down, to about half of its size, easy to keep in the back of your car, always have it the ready, hang it in your garage. Those big, like, gardening pots that you see, maybe it's bags of mulch you're moving around the yard. It's just so nice to have something that's going to make your life easier. And that nice cushioned handle.
Yes.
I love how tall it is because I'm tall, but it's nice and tall. And this handle is really cushioned. So when even something really heavy, it's not going to hurt your hand. I mean, things like this, you go to the store and we get, cans of soda, of water. This is like a super heavy bag.
Oh my goodness.
Kitty litter. Good grief. Why use my back to try and move this
Right.
from A to B? I can just push it with one hand
Look at
with
that.
like no effort at all. And it spins on a dime because of those
Right.
swivel wheels. And you've got those nice big beefy wheels in the back. So it's going to go over here. It'll just go over the carpet super easy. It will go over the hardwood, the concrete, wherever you're going.
It's so easy, and you could keep this just collapsed in the back of the trunk of your car so that
Yeah.
when you do need to bring this inside, you could put the kitty litter and the cans of soda and your gallons of milk, right? Balance those on top, and you're gonna be absolutely good to go with this one. If you're going to get a dolly to help you move things around, get one that you don't have to tilt and you don't have to balance.
Right.
Get the
You don't have to
newest
struggle.
innovation. You don't have to struggle. Exactly, Diana. You have a padded,
Yeah.
wonderful handle that's going to be easy for your hands. And this itself only weighs, let me see, 5.7 pounds. So
Oh,
although
yeah.
it is sturdy and can hold up to 110 pounds, the trolley itself, the dolly, is less than 6 pounds, Diana. That's amazing.
I know. It really is very lightweight. And it folds up so nice and easily to about half of its size. And so you'll always have it with you. So I'll show you again how to do it. I like to step on the front,
Okay.
just lift up the front platform here.
Got it.
The back wheels, you'll see, they just push right in. And then the handle just folds in half. So it takes like seconds to do that. And then look at how compact this is.
That's great. Diana, do I have to assemble anything when it comes to me?
Yeah, you do have to put the wheels on when you get it
Okay.
home, and they'll give you the stuff. Takes about maybe 10 minutes or so to do that.
Easy. Okay, that's not
super
bad at
easy.
all, just to put those
No.
wheels on. And it looks like
Yep.
because those wheels are nice and sturdy, I bet this could go over lots of different terrains outside
Yeah.
and, of course, inside as well.
Yes, absolutely. And I love the fact that everything clears the wheels. Like there's nothing inhibiting what size package you put on it. You can put a really large package on it. Like this one is so wide. And again, it just spins on a dime. So great maneuverability, but make your life easier.
Yeah.
Don't struggle with things.
Right.
Put it on the dolly and push it like a baby stroller.
Right, no more calling up your son-in-law and saying, please come help me with this package. You've got your
Right.
option right here, $54.98. You're saving $11. Thanks so much, Diana.
Thanks, Rachel. Have a great night.
You too. All right.